How to upload high quality videos on TikTok. So the first step is basically you open your TikTok app and then you may click on this plus button right here if you want to record a video or upload a video or photo from your camera roll. If ever you have your drafts right here, you just simply click on your profile on the lower right corner of the screen and then choose your drafts. And then, for example, I will choose this video right here. Once you have done that, you may click on next on the lower right corner and then make sure to scroll down before posting it. Make sure to click on allow high quality uploads. So click on the tick box or the tick icon on the rightmost part and make sure that it turns into green so that the high quality uploads will be turned on. And then if you cannot see this one, then you should also click on more options and then you may be able to see the allow high quality uploads right here. Once you have done that, you may now post your video and then that's it. That's how you can upload high quality video on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.